In addition to manufacturing, we provide many special services that help us maintain our position as the leader in the mini-computer field.
If you look at Able...
This is a school set up and run by Digital as part of our education program. Over 20,000 students attended Digital schools last year. Many prospective clients of our new components group have benefited from such a school, so they are now at a point where they no longer need to take advantage of Digital services. The components group is for those of you who need only the iron, the system's components, and want to provide your own installation and service. Our components group can deliver volume orders to you at a lower cost without the extra services, but with the reliability that Digital's size and experience will assure. We feel it's time for this new development. You know your business. We know ours. The Components Group will offer peripheral equipment to users of all equipment unbundled. Printers, mag tape systems, alphanumeric terminals, remote data entry terminals, solid-state logic modules, microcomputers, and more. You buy them, you install them, you service them, you save the difference. We'll deliver components by the truckload from our Massachusetts and Arizona warehouses. Because we sell only the iron, we've located this new enterprise in separate quarters at One Iron Way in Marlborough, Massachusetts. The Components Group. Only Digital is able to offer this new money-saving service. Our components will do good things for your system.